What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're gonna see if this Super Clean will clean off all the gunk and grime off this wheel that's been sitting for 3 years. Now my Jeep Wrangler has been sitting on my trailer for about 3 years or so. It hasn't seen any wheeling time since the last time I wheeled it, which was about 3 or 4 years ago. I've been busy working on the Cherokee, so I haven't had time to work on this. It's just been sitting, and all the mud and grime from my last wheeling trip are just sitting here. We're gonna see if Super Clean will clean up these wheels and make them looking a little shiny at least. And you wanna make sure you stick around to the end of the video where we're gonna do a giveaway for Super Clean, and you can win some awesome Super Clean products. As you can see, this wheel is completely dry. I haven't pre-soaked it. There's still dirt and grime in it. I haven't done anything to it because I just want to see what Super Clean will do if you just spray it right out of the bottle. And this is Super Clean's wheel and tire cleaner. So this is meant for this. Foams away grime, brake dust, and it's super easy and super fast is what it says on the bottle. We're gonna give it a shot and see if it'll actually get some of this off. The paint's not in the greatest shape, but we're just gonna see what it looks like when Super Clean has had some time to kind of clean up. What's a good before and after video, testing video without some tape to tape off half the wheel. We'll tape off one half and only clean one half so you can really see the difference. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, so we are going to leave the left side as our control. The right side, we'll spray on some Super Clean. Now the directions do say to clean one wheel at a time, rinse thoroughly with cold water first, coat the wheel, and then do it. We're just gonna spray this stuff on, see what it does. All right, and I started a 5-minute timer here. We're gonna see after 5 minutes if I can wipe any of this gunk off.
A few moments later.
All right, it's only been about 3 minutes here. Still got 2 minutes to go, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off before it dries on here because it won't do any good when it's dry. As you can see, a lot of stuff's coming off, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna spray a little bit more just to wet it down. Just got some regular brake parts cleaner, non-chlorinated version. Spray this on the other side here. Peel off this tape that's coming off anyway. Definitely a lot shinier finish on the Super Clean side versus just the brake parts cleaner. All right, and just to try this on something else, I got my Ford Raptor here. Gonna clean up these rims. I haven't even washed the truck hardly at all this year, so a lot of just normal grime and stuff on them. We'll spray these down as well. Even some road paint comes right off. Hitting the white line a little bit. Freshly painted white lines on the road. Now I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the front wheel that I cleaned is looking super shiny compared to the one I didn't touch. Obviously dirty versus clean, but I did a really good job on that. Got all the gunk and grime that was on it. All right, I know this is a quick video, but I really wanted to test out this Super Clean tire wheel cleaner, and it seemed like it worked really well. I haven't used a ton of tire cleaners. Usually I just kind of scrub the wheels and tires with soap. This really seemed to clean up these old wheels that have been sitting forever. So huge thanks to Super Clean that sent this out for us to test out. Now, if you guys have been waiting to the end, thank you for watching the whole way through. And Super Clean wants to do a giveaway of their original Super Clean plus their aerosol formula. So you have to be in the lower 48 states in order to enter. And I'm gonna make this contest super simple. All you have to do is drop a comment below. If you've tried Super Clean, let me know about some experiences you've had. Has it worked for you? Have you tried the wheel cleaner yet? Just leave any kind of comment below and that'll get you entered in. And in about a week or two, I will do a randomized drawing of all the comments, and it'll be whoever wins, I will message them. I'll probably send them an email or a message on YouTube, however I can contact you, and you will win these two products right here, the regular Super Clean and the aerosol form of Super Clean that I use in the garage all the time. They work really well. But even if you don't win the contest and you'd like to check out some Super Clean products, I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick some up, clean up your wheels, clean up your garage, clean up your shop. So thanks again to Super Clean for sending these products out for me to test out. And as always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.